What up, guys? It's me, Segment back from the video. Oh, I haven't been posting that much because not been happening and all that. Private information. But we're just playing and coming the new update. Okay. Yeah, like racing update. I don't know. Yeah, racing update with racing stuff. I was gonna go on a trip. I was gonna tell you that until I couldn't because I got in trouble and they didn't let me go to the trip. But my cousin's at the trip, and if he sees this video, he's gonna kill me because he says not to play any updates without me when I'm gone. When he's gone, so he's gonna be mad. So yay! You know, let me just find some stuff that's new because I haven't played this update. And hand is broken. Cause someone broke it. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Random kid.
No! Today we're gonna become.
I don't know what the freak this code is. Please, no one. I'm tired. Oh, it's like middle of the day. How am I tired? Okay, did it come? Did he come out? The frick! Oh, a bunch of people got this. 75 people got that. Oh yeah, I forgot. This other update that came out, I forgot to review because I was doing stuff. I wasn't on and yesterday I was throwing up like crazy and sharding myself, like diarrhea and all that. And it was crazy. So yeah, that's why I wasn't playing yesterday. I was like sick as heck. I'm still sick right now. But I'm playing because I feel a lot better, but my butt hurts. No questions. Okay, no. And if you don't know, this means of how many people has done it in the whole Animal Company. So there's 75 of the Animal Company have done this, but 31% has done this. So we need more people on this. And this. I already done both of them. Because a couple of days ago when I wasn't I forgot about my whole entire YouTube channel. I'm not kidding. Kind of forgot. So today. So I don't know what's new. Because I want to know what's new. I know there's new stuff. Yeah, I already saw this. Anything in here, I just wanna see. Oh yeah, I forgot I got this. My friend gave me this. It's cool. I actually like it. I'm gonna dupe it. Yeah. I think you can, like, not dupe. I mean, like, in a different way. Let me just... Okay, put that in. What else is in here? Cause I clearly forgot. Heart box. Ooh, that's rare. Cause I've been keeping that for like a couple months. But it was in one of my bags, and I was playing like a couple days ago, and I put it out. Oh my! I got so many eggs. Oh, I forgot. A couple days ago, me and my friend were duping some eggs. Yeah. If you know, RCV, or my cousin, he gave me this. No questions. I don't know why it looks like that, and why is it pink? Why? Why does it have to be pink? What kind of eggs are in here? I never checked. Oh, just tiny eggs. That's cool. The freak, my room. Okay, I'm gonna be duping that bomb thing. I need this. Oh, dang it. If my friend was here, he has like a bag full of key cards, so he can do all that. That way I have to get a key card. Gotta take this out, because this has to go in first. Yep. Okay, let's do this. So the only thing we need is a grapply boy, and a revolver. Since I only have one hand, it's gonna be harder. When I try to shoot, you know, screaming guy that we all hate. Okay, let's go. This will be fun. This way. I forgot the way. Yeah, we did not take the elevator. Elevator. Why did I say elevator? Oh my monkey man. Dude, stop chasing me. Ooh. Yeah, we're not killing her right now. Man, I need this. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to kill you. No way. No way. You took all that. You big A. Takes more than one shot to kill you. You're scaring me. Oh, that's scary. Oh, no. Oh, no. Keep it. That was close. Way too close. Oh, it's this way. Oh shoot, remember he always comes through here. I don't know why. The door's closed and he can, oh wait, wrong way, what the frick? He always comes through that door. Let's go around him. Oh my gosh, how does he? How can I click it again? If he comes in here, I'm gonna bump into him. Close the door! He's literally coming over here. Yeah, I'm cooked. Egg. It's just the word. The moment of truth. You Biggie, get out! You're so biggie, you broke the door. How did you break the door? If he doesn't get out, I'm gonna crash. I'm trying to make it a fast video because I'm tired and I also want to do stuff right now. Like I want to do. I'm not trying to make this video so long because I haven't verified my account yet. So it can't go past 15 minutes. So I swear if he still stays, I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna have to retry the video. I don't wanna retry the video. Because I need to go pee and I don't wanna stop the video. And if I go pee and take off my headset, it's gonna stop the video. So let's wait until he goes. Bro is still over there. I'm gonna make him come over here. Good boy. No. Yo, my controller. Dude, come on. Oh my gosh, I got an OP idea. Literally OP, I'm telling you. How did he already come back? Yo, it's the Flash. How is he the Flash when he's a biggie? Toes eater? He's a toe eater. I'm stupid. Oh, I should have someone else. I'm gonna kill myself. I'm killing myself. Kill me! Thank you. I wanted him to kill me. He ate me. Bro, is there even a new map? I thought there was a racing map. Like, what the frick? Can if anyone sees this video, can you please just do this? Don't even ask for people to give you it, just do it. It's not that hard. It's really not that hard. This one's even easier. This one, it's not that hard. It's like pretty easy to me, I guess. Cause I had 2 friends helping me. We all just won. If you have like 2 friends, then it's like 3 of y'all, and you get 3 whole bags, and those 3 bags go to 1 person. You'll get like over enough, I think. So yeah, just do that, cause that's what I did. With the uranium, I just duped it. I got like 1 full bag and duped. You could do the same thing with uranium. I don't do that with uranium. It's hard to get uranium. Not that I'm lie. Well, I think I'm gonna end it right here since I'm tired and all that, and I gotta go bathroom. So I'm gonna try to make a bunch of videos. Before I probably get even more sick right now. So yeah. Okay. Bye. Why won't this end?